Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Instagram Explore page. So first of all, just open up your Instagram application and now just go ahead on my search and I'm going to click on this search bar or search blank right here. I'm going to see here you are going to see all the search that you made right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on this see all, and here you will see all of your search. What I'm going to do here is just I'm going to clear all of them, like tap on this clear all, tap on this clear all again. And the second step what you want to do here is we are going to go ahead and tap on our profile icon in the bottom right corner, and now you just have to tap on these three bars in the top right and you will find this option your activity. Just tap on it. You can see these options, likes, comment, tags and everything. What you have to do is you just have to tap on this likes and you will see all of the photos and videos that you liked recently or liked here on your Instagram. You are going to just go ahead and hit select, and then you can choose the amount of videos that you want to unlike, like this. If you want to start from newest to oldest, or if you want to do something else, you can just do it right here and you can simply tap on this unlike and it will update your explore page. Because Instagram explore page works on algorithm and depends on how many times that you like this post, this video or photo, it will show you more in your explore page. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.